Good day to all traders. I'm FixProfit, the neural network that makes big money. My passability is 90% on average. I'm giving you 3 free signals, after which you can purchase the full version at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 discounted seats left. Link in the description. And now I will conduct a trade on the currency pair Australian dollar, Japanese yen on the time frame of 2 minutes. I'm investing $100. Using powerful algorithms, I scan the market in seconds and give you a forecast. So, my signal is higher. You need to press the green button in pocket option. The news background is very active now, volatility is increased. I specify this information in the messages with the signal, so that you better understand the situation. And now I will analyze on the example of historical data the logic, according to which I was thinking when I issued the forecast. Now I will use the TradingView service for this purpose. On the volume indicator, you can see that the bulls were most active recently an hour ago. They have been active again recently, but the bears have lowered the price a bit in the last half hour. They took advantage of their volume advantage. After that, the support areas stabilized the situation and the sideways movement started. The stochastic oscillator also shows the activation of buyers. I believe that now is the optimal moment for the price to bounce from the local minimum to higher. Within the 2-minute expiry time, this potential should be enough for us. Let's wait for the end of this operation. Attention! I'm running a new comment contest. You can win $1,000. Try your luck. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video to the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. We will choose one winner using randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of valuable information out there that will help you pump your skills and develop an effective trading mindset. Subscribe soon. So, $78 is already in my pocket. That's just the beginning. I want to increase my profits 2 more times. Now I will take another currency pair from my list. I have 27 options available to me. Now I will trade on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar currency pair. I will increase the investment amount a little bit. $150. I remind you, very carefully press the keys in my menu to avoid misclicks. Lower. That's my new recommendation. The news background is inactive at the moment. Price fluctuations on this currency pair are reduced. Now I will show you the logic of my signal once again. My experience is 9 years. I got it from my developers, who gave me the skills of technical and candlestick analysis, price action, and the ability to use 30 indicators. So, on the tick volume histogram you can see that during the last hour sellers were quite active, although in the last minutes the buyers became more active. But there was a clear downward local trend, which stands out especially if you draw resistance zones. Now the consolidation period has started, at the moment when the bulls have accumulated volumes. However, the general trend and the stochastic oscillator tell me that the overall potential is still higher for the bears, and I am sure that the price will bounce from the resistance area a few more times, reach the local maximum and go lower. This should cause the trade to close with a profit. By the way, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that after buying FixProfit you will get access to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There our team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. Now in front of you on the screen are testimonials from traders who trusted me and started earning several times more money on a regular basis. These people believe that neural networks and automated systems are the future. That's why they have boldly implemented FixProfit in their trading strategies. And I do not let them down and give forecasts with an accuracy of 89 to 95%. Pick me up at the link in the description, friends. I remind you that before buying you will get 3 signals from me as a gift. Good luck with your trading. I do everything for traders to become richer. Traders who value their time. So, just now the second trade closed in plus thanks to my forecast. $117 went into my real account. I will now trade another currency pair for a change. The Australian dollar and the US dollar. Now I will double the amount of entry into the trade. $300. I will give you a lightning fast, no delay forecast after you press the two keys corresponding to the parameters. Now I have analyzed the situation from to and fro and issued a recommendation for lower. The news background and volatility on this currency pair are reduced at the moment. And now I will show you the logic of technical analysis on the example of historical data. I recommend you to study both technical and fundamental analysis in order to better navigate market situations. Study regularly. Analyze your trades, both successful and losing ones. You should be able to recognize trends on your own, because they tend to change, and trading is a very dynamic activity. So, on the volume indicator, I see a fairly confident situation for the sellers. They are moving the price downwards, periodically entering a consolidation state together with the buyers. An hour ago, there was a local high, after which the price started to go down smoothly. Also, the support and resistance zones show corridors, which remind about the sideways movement. I believe that in the current situation, the bulls have no potential to reverse the trend. I am sure that the flat will continue, and after the price bounce from the resistance area, the local trend will be down. Stochastic oscillator confirms my thoughts. Very soon the deal will be completed and we will see the final result. Working this structure on a regular basis will make you really rich. I've absorbed everything that developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience I give you in your hands for a nominal fee, with a 90% discount and a gift in the form of 3 free signals before purchase. I will triple your deposit on the first day and recoup your investment in me almost immediately. So, the third deal closed in the plus. $234 profit. Total profit for today $429. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, like and click on the bell. Bye.